5 best dropshipping suppliers in the Philippines. The Philippines is a growing hotspot for e-commerce, making it a great location to start or expand your dropshipping business. With its strong logistical infrastructure, high-quality suppliers, and access to a booming market, partnering with reliable suppliers in the Philippines can help you achieve success. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in the Philippines to help you grow your online store and deliver top-notch products to your customers. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in the Philippines. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, beauty products, or home goods, these suppliers will help you find reliable inventory, fast shipping, and great prices to scale your business. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's get started. At number 5, Dropify. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Dropify, the first fully automated dropshipping platform in the Philippines. What they offer. Dropify provides a variety of products, including electronics, fashion, home goods, and beauty items. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their automated system simplifies order management and integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Lazada and Shopee. Shipping advantage. Dropify is based in the Philippines, ensuring fast delivery to customers nationwide. If you're new to dropshipping and want an easy-to-use platform, Dropify is a fantastic choice. At number 4, Oberlo via AliExpress. Coming in at number 4 is Oberlo, a globally recognized dropshipping platform that works with suppliers in the Philippines. What they offer. Oberlo provides access to a wide range of products, including gadgets, apparel, and beauty items, with many suppliers offering competitive pricing. Why they're popular. Oberlo integrates with Shopify, automating product imports, inventory updates, and order fulfillment. Shipping advantage. Many AliExpress suppliers in the Philippines offer faster delivery for local customers. If you're looking for a combination of automation and variety, Oberlo is a great option to explore. At number 3, Lazada Philippines. Next up at number 3 is Lazada Philippines, one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the country. What they offer. Lazada features a massive catalog of products, including electronics, fashion, home decor, and personal care items. Why it's great for dropshipping. With a network of trusted suppliers and competitive prices, Lazada allows you to source high-demand products for your store. Shipping advantage. Lazada's strong logistics network ensures fast and reliable delivery across the Philippines. If you want access to a wide variety of products and trusted local suppliers, Lazada Philippines is a must-try platform. At number 2, Alibaba Philippine Suppliers. Coming in at number 2 is Alibaba, a global B2B platform that connects you with Philippine-based suppliers. What they offer. Alibaba allows you to source a wide range of products, including handmade goods, apparel, electronics, and home items. Why they're great for dropshipping. Many Philippine suppliers on Alibaba offer customizable products and bulk pricing, helping you create a unique store. Shipping advantage. By sourcing locally through Alibaba, you can reduce delivery times and enhance customer satisfaction. If you're looking for scalable solutions with the option to customize products, Alibaba's Philippine suppliers are an excellent resource. At number 1, CJ Dropshipping, Philippines. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is CJ Dropshipping, a platform with a strong supplier network in the Philippines. What they offer? CJ Dropshipping provides access to thousands of high-quality products, including electronics, apparel, beauty, and home goods. Why they're the best? CJ Dropshipping offers private labeling and branding options, allowing you to build a unique brand. Shipping advantage. With suppliers based in the Philippines, CJ Dropshipping ensures fast and efficient delivery for local customers. If you're serious about building a professional dropshipping business, CJ Dropshipping is the ultimate partner in the Philippines. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in the Philippines. Let's quickly recap the list. CJ Dropshipping, Philippines. Best overall for private labeling, fast shipping, and high-quality products. Alibaba, Philippine suppliers, ideal for scalable and customizable product sourcing. Lazada, Philippines. Great for accessing a wide variety of high-demand products. Oberlo via AliExpress, perfect for automation and global product sourcing. Dropify, a beginner-friendly platform with full automation for drop shipping in the Philippines. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your drop shipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.